Hi and welcome to the biggest spec Turbo S Cabriolet in the UK. This car is tremendous. It has got a huge spec. Too much to go through on this video, to be fair. But have a quick walk around this car. So it's a 2171 plate car finished in this sharp blue. It's got the full aero kit on this vehicle. So you can see the little aero kit on the front of this car. It's something you can't order at the moment in time from Porsche. The stripes that run across the bonnet of the car, which then have been on the roof, which is a lovely, lovely touch. Very unique, not seen on many vehicles. Seeing the carbon mirror caps, the Porsche decals on the side, this in gloss black. Love these stone guards on the side here, very retro. Gloss black air intakes on the vehicle. Obviously with the aero kit there, you've got the rear spoiler in the gloss black, and then the detail on the rear balance at the bottom of the car there. Like I said to you before, the biggest spec car in the UK. Beautiful with the colour combo from the external colour, some of this lighter pebble interior. I think it's pebble or linen, I can't remember which one it was. With the crayon stitching as well. It's got the matte carbon fibre. It's got Bose sound system. Illuminated door sills as you step in there, which is carbon fibre as well. Heated seats, ventilated seats, sports chrono, extended lever on the dash, extended lever around the steering column. The list just goes on in this car. So if you're after a low mileage, 3,038 mile Turbo S Cabriolet and the biggest spec on the UK, this is your car. Do give us a call at Scott Hardy Automotive. Thank you.